Alright, with spring coming up, thought this may be a helpful video showing how to replace the trimmer line on a weed whacker. We're using Echo Black Diamond trimmer line. It's 0.105 inches in diameter, which is too thick for some trimmer heads. So make sure you check the specifications of your trimmer. First, take this off. And we use about 15 feet of line. So just 3 wingspans. Doesn't have to be exact. And then here's the trick, is inside here, there are holes for the trimmer line, and I don't know if you're able to see that, and you put the trimmer line right through the holes, just one of them. Alright, when you let this settle down so it's right in the middle of your trimmer line, I'll show you how to do that. Just line up the ends of your line like this. And then all you have to do is follow that back to your trimmer head. And it'll be perfectly centered. Now the next step is looking on here for the direction to wind it. And it says a wind line. And what you're going to do is stick your index finger between the two lines and then guide that evenly, not too tight, not too loose. Just guide that right in here and you feed it in the whole way. If you have it too tight, it won't automatically unwind when you bump it. If you have it too loose, it'll get knotted up. So just have it a good amount of pressure so that it sits in there nice and smooth. Now when we're coming to the end, what you're going to do is feed it right through that slot and bring this part around, feed it right in that spot, and that's going to hold it temporarily while you put it back in. Okay. As you put it back in, one side goes through. See in here there's holes for the line to feed through. Alright, so one line is going to feed through this hole, and the other line is going to feed through the other hole. Doesn't matter which is which. Alright, now here's the trick to doing this properly. When you put this on, set it in there, but you don't lock it in. The way to lock it in is to pull the strings and it locks the mechanism in place, and then you're just ready to go. So, see, I just set it in there, and here we go. And that's it. Now it's locked in place, and you're ready to whack weeds.